Hey, Phil here, and in this video, I quickly want to just talk about the different lecture types that we've added to make this course as interesting as possible. So we have a few different lecture types that you'll see as you scroll through the content of the course. Sometimes it's just the lecture title, but then sometimes you'll see things that say like visual guide or advanced or assignment. So the first type is a basic video lecture, and that's all of these lessons that just has the title. If you click on that, it's going to play a video for that lecture. Next, we have visual guides, which is a graphic that we've put together to help you understand a major concept. You can view them in the class, or you can even download them for you to take on the go. In many sections, you will see advanced lessons. These are video lectures, but they are on a more advanced topic. And these are meant for you to watch if you are ready for them. They are meant to be skipped if you aren't ready for them. Next, we have pro tips, which are articles that are a little bit more advanced that will really take your skills to the next level. Most of these can be downloaded as PDFs as well. Then we have assignments. Assignments are a great way for you to get out there, take action. The way they work on Udemy is that you have the instructions, you click start assignment, and then you just go through the steps. You can also go ahead and skip these assignments. These are really there for you to enjoy, to learn from, and also to provide feedback to other students with. And then we have photo chats. These are a bit longer, more drawn out. We cover things in a little bit more depth. Like for this example, I talk about buying a new camera. It's over 20 minutes long, and it's just a discussion on all the things that I would personally take into account when I buy a new camera. And you'll see these lessons described as a photo chat at the beginning of the lecture title, and we'll be adding more of these in the future. And then finally, at the end of each section, we have a list of supplemental materials. These can be articles or bonus videos, links to some sort of resource that we think will be helpful to you to further understand the main concepts of that section. So we'll continue to add things here if we find more helpful resources in the future, but you will find this lesson, supplemental resources, at the end of each section. So that's really it for now. Next, you're going to dive into understanding exposure, then composition, focus and depth of field, and so much more. Have fun.